Sit properly, Migdad. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning. So open your notebooks, everyone. As you know that we have started the chapter number 11,
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम,
area and boundary.
रेनू
Yes,
मैम।
ma'am. Please.
हाँ,
Yes, ma'am.
खेवना की तबीयत ठीक नहीं है ना, तो मैं उसको हॉस्पिटल लेके आई हूँ, इसलिए उसने लेट से ज्वाइन किया।
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, मैंने बोला कि ज्वाइन कर
मैम
लो।
कर पाती है तो ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम। अगर जब उसको प्रॉब्लम ज्यादा है तो आप मेल करिए, आई विल सेंड द रिकॉर्डिंग।
हाँ, मैं मेल कर दूंगी आज। आप रिकॉर्डिंग तो सेंड कर ही दीजिएगा, क्योंकि अभी हम हॉस्पिटल में हैं। सो
ओके ओके, शी इज फाइन नो, आई होप।
हाँ मैम, वैसे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, लूज मोशन हो गया उसको।
नो प्रॉब्लम, टेक केयर।
ओके मैम।
Okay. So students, take out a notebook, everyone. ध्यान से लिए, turn on your camera. Turn on your camera, everyone. And open your notebooks. As you know that we have already started the chapter number 11 related with area and boundary, area and perimeter. I want to give you some, Priya, you are late in the class and this is happening every day.
Sorry, ma'am.
So I am giving you some practice questions. Please solve them. Write the question 1. Find the area by counting the squares. Each square is 1 square centimeter. Figure A. Find the area of this figure. Figure B. Find the area of this figure. Figure C. Find the area of this. Find the area and perimeter you can do. Find the area and...
Ma'am, please don't rub.
No, I'm not erasing. By counting की जगह लिखो with the help of squares. हर फिगर का एरिया भी फाइंड करना है and as well as you have to find out the perimeter also. Find the area and perimeter with the help of squares. Each square is 1 square centimeter. What will be the perimeter? What will be the perimeter and the area of the following figure? Please draw the figures with the pencil and scale neatly. And the figure D is area as well as the perimeter of each figure. Whether it's with the formula, with it is with the squares, with the help of the squares. Yes. Any doubt to any child?
Yes, ma'am. What's the each square is? It's
1 centimeter. 1 square centimeter.
ma'am, what with the what?
With the help of squares. Each square is 1 square centimeter. Yes, Anya Mittal, give me the area of this figure, first figure.
Yes, ma'am. 12.
Only 12.
12 centimeter.
Only 12 centimeter when you are finding the area.
Sorry, 12 SQ centimeter.
SQ is what? Square.
Square.
So don't use short form. So you will write the area is 12 square centimeter. Next is Viman Balchandani. What is the perimeter of this figure? Same figure.
we have to write also formula in the notebook, our notebook?
No formula, no, because you have to do with the squares. So there no required the formula. Tell me. Vivan Balchandani, will you answer me or not? Not. He left the class? Not answering. Jahan Agarwal, give me the perimeter of this figure. Figure A.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, 10 square centimeter.
10. Just check.
10.
Just check.
Yeah, ma'am, 10.
How?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Dhyan
Ma'am,
Lagao.
can you say?
Ma'am, there. 12
Yes, Dhairya.
centimeter.
Just check.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes,
What can I
Shreya.
say?
Priya.
Ma'am, 14 centimeter.
Priya, will you explain them how?
Ma'am, because there is 3 in the row.
1, 2,
Three,
3. 3. And then 1, 2, 3, 4.
4. And 3
Then
plus
1,
4
2,
equals
3.
7 multiplied by 2.
1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 plus 4 is 7. 8, 9, 10 plus 4 is 14.
Ma'am, how do you take a screenshot in the computer? You know?
I don't know.
I use
Beta.
press a print screen.
There is this.
I
Print
try,
screen.
but nothing happens. Like I press
But why are you taking the screenshot? Do it. No, I'm
Ma'am,
giving
because
you the enough time.
Ma'am, because I couldn't find a pen. Now I found a pen. When I was asking,
So what is the answer? Everyone is clear why the answer is 14 centimeter? Anything, any doubt to any child?
Well,
Yes, ma'am, understood. I was finding the perimeter. I was
perimeter
finding
only,
the
na?
area. I was
Ma'am,
finding the area.
That is the reason.
Ma'am, the area should be 12, right?
Yes, area should be 12 square centimeter.
Yeah.
And the perimeter should be?
Perimeter should be 14.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I tell the B1?
Yes. Area for the B1.
8 square centimeter.
Area is 8.
No perimeter.
So, but listen the question carefully. Now, I'm first asking the area.
4, ma'am.
4
4 square centimeter.
meter and
And
the
now the perimeter
is 8
is?
square centimeter. Oh,
Is it
no,
correct?
8 centimeter. 8 centimeter.
Yes. Is it correct, students? 1, 2. 1, 2.
Ma'am, can I
1, 2,
answer the
1, 2.
C1?
So it is 4 centimeter. Yes, Nishika, give me the C1 area.
Ma'am, the area of the C1 is 5 square centimeter. And the perimeter is 12.
Perimeter is
12.
12. Yes. 12 centimeter.
Ma'am, in the B1 you wrote 4 centimeter.
Sorry.
Ma'am,
8.
ma'am, can I say
Yes,
the
ma'am.
D1?
Yes. Area.
D1 area 1, 2, 3, 12 square centimeter.
12 square centimeter. What will be the perimeter?
And the perimeter is 2. Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the C1, how to find area and perimeter? I didn't get it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are squares. So this part, the internal part is the area, you know.
Yes.
So this is the area 5 square centimeter.
Yes.
And the perimeter is 1, 2, 3. The outside boundary, the perimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12.
Okay.
And can I say
Ma'am, now can I say the perimeter of D1?
Yes.
And the perimeter of D1 is
16 centimeters.
16 centimeters. 16
Yes,
centimeters.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16 centimeter. Done, everyone?
No, ma'am, 1 minute. Don't erase, please.
Left.
What happened? Anushka?
Only 2 questions are left drawing.
Do it, do it. No problem. Ayush, you please keep your mic off.
Ma'am, I was telling that don't erase. That's why I switched it
I'm
on.
not erasing. I'm not erasing. Please complete it. Is the board visible to you all completely?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, in the third one,
Hmm.
okay, no, no. Ma'am, in the third one, like there is a C1, there is a rectangle, and you write the numbers 5. So, what is the length of its side?
Which one?
C1.
C1. See, each is 1 centimeter
Why?
from all the sides because it's a square. So this is 1, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12.
Ma'am, it's a square.
It's a square, no? Each square is 1 centimeter because the square has all the 4 sides equal. तो हमने स्क्वायर्स ही तो बनाए हैं, रेक्टेंगल के अंदर छोटे स्क्वायर्स बनाए हैं, उससे स्क्वायर्स को काउंट करके ही हम एरिया निकाल रहे हैं और पेरीमीटर.
I thought they were rectangles.
This is figure, complete figure is rectangle. Got it? Complete figure is the rectangle, but the internal there are squares. Whether the figure is the square or the rectangle, the area and the perimeter will be fine like this only, na, by counting the squares.
Ma'am, can you go to the next question?
Yeah, I will go. Let everyone complete this.
Okay, ma'am.
Can I raise?
No, ma'am, I'm on the last one.
Yes.
Ma'am, you can erase the first one.
Let
First
everyone
and
complete, then I have
second.
to complete
And
the
second,
full
yeah.
board.
You can erase first and second.
Let complete everyone so that I can complete the full board, erase the full board.
Ma'am, done. I'm done.
Can I erase now completely?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am, the last one is
One
left.
and two. Start by using the first two. I'm done with the first two.
Now I'm going to present the worksheet in front of you and you have to tell me how we are going to solve this.
Then we have to write in notebook that worksheet.
First we have to discuss and then I will send you in the classroom. Students, this worksheet is visible to you? Mute yourself, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This worksheet is visible to you. So,
Yes,
what is the length of this figure? First of all, this figure is which figure?
No, rectangle.
Rectangle.
Why this is rectangle?
Because
Because
18 by
the-
60
the
it is
length-
not same.
Because the size
Centimeter is not same.
Because the
size is
length
not
and breadth.
One child will give their name and give the answer.
Samriddhi.
Yes, Samriddhi, please give me.
Yeah, because the length and breadth are different.
Okay.
Size.
Yes, Rudra, what are your suggestions for the, this is the rectangle?
The length and breadth are not same.
Okay. Yes, Lakshay, what is your suggestion? Why this is a rectangle? Yes, Ayush Singhania, what is your suggestion? Am I
I'm doing
visible?
the work, but I can.
Yes, Dare, what is your suggestion?
Ma'am, it is not the proper.
It is not visible to you.
No,
What
ma'am,
proper?
it is visible.
Ma'am,
So I-
ma'am, 108 square centimeter.
Let me check. First of all, tell me, students. Tell me why this is rectangle.
Ma'am, can I just tell you?
Ma'am, can I
Yes,
say?
Ekansh.
Ma'am, because the length and breadth are of different numbers.
And opposite sides are same. Yes.
Yes, ma'am,
Opposite
both the
sides-
sides are same.
Both the
That's why.
sides are not opposite sides.
Yes, ma'am. So I said like both
But
the
use
sides.
the word opposite. आप
Okay.
अगर आप both the sides लिखोगे तो means length and breadth are same. When you use the word opposite means opposite sides are same. This is the difference
Ma'am, the
between
answer
using both the sides and the opposite sides. Got it there? Okay. Can we go to
Ma'am,
this
the
now?
answer will be
We have to do it with the squares, with the help of the squares, not by the multiplication of the formula method. So, how many is this? This is a rectangle and the length is 18 centimeter and the breadth is 6 centimeter. Now you have to draw the square. Each square is 2 centimeter, right? So the each square when you draw, so how many you are going to draw in this length? How many?
9.
9.
18, 18, 10, 9, 15, 18. What? Why 9? Tell me. Explain.
9.
Yes, this is 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. So this way they will make 9 squares only.
Ma'am, because
2,
18 divided by 2
1,
is
2, 3, 4. Yes. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And when you add this 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter from here, this side,
18.
so it will give you 18. Now, how many you are going to draw in the, tell me in the breadth, how many you are going to draw?
6.
Width. 6?
5.
3. Because this is 2 centimeter, so this is 2 centimeter and this is 2 centimeter. So you will draw 3. Now tell me if we complete it.
Ma'am, why we cannot directly multiply? We don't need to complete only.
See, now we multiply. That's the reason they are telling you with the squares you have to do. not with the
But
multiplication.
you had teach before that we can, if there
We
are
have done
only,
both the methods, na, with the squares also, with the formula also. But
Ma'am,
when huh,
but with square method only, that you made first 3 and then you made the breadth. So
Huh.
we cannot directly multiply
you
it
can,
like
yes, you can do in this way also. 18 into
we don't need to complete
9.
only.
Huh. So when you multiply, tell me how you are going to multiply now.
So there are 1, 2,
Ma'am?
3, and then 1, 2,
There are
3.
9 squares in the length.
Okay,
Don't
ma'am.
think.
So we will
There are
multiply
9
3 by
squares
9.
in the length. There are 3 squares in the breadth.
27.
27, and each is of 2.
54.
54.
54.
54. But when we do 18 into what is the area of this rectangle? Length
Ma'am,
into
108. Ma'am,
18
108.
into 6.
Is equal to 108.
Yes. Find the answer by the length and the breadth.
Ma'am, now we need to divide by 2.
18 into 6
54.
and 108, and divide by, when you do it by 2, because each is of 2, so it will give you 54. 54 squares will come. Same way, will you able to do?
Ma'am,
This
is
is
the
a
document.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yes, Anushka, tell us.
Ma'am, the answer is that 33 SQ centimeter.
For the second one?
Yes, ma'am.
For the second one, the answer is 33
We
square
just
centimeters.
need to multiply 11 into 3.
Yes. And here, how many squares will come?
Ma'am, here there will be 4 squares at the
Ma'am, 24 square centimeter.
24, who is telling 24? You are adding 12 plus 12.
Ma'am, 36.
36.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, first, ma'am, we have to multiply 12 into
144.
What is the answer? We have to multiply it by 3.
Ma'am, 144. 144.
Better 12 into 12. You don't have to add 12
Ma'am,
plus 12 plus
144.
12. It be the perimeter. Wait,
144.
Anushka, wait.
144
Yes.
centimeter, 144 centimeter.
Yes. So let me stop the presentation and give you some more practice. Take out your notebooks again. Open your notebooks. Mute yourself. Someone mic is on. Dhyan Dalal, mute your mic, please. Any doubt to any child?
No, ma'am.
Any doubt to any child?
No.
Go write the next question in your notebooks. Find the area of the
Ma'am,
rectangles
ma'am, the worksheet you will send.
in the
That
classroom.
worksheet is in document.
It will be in the Google Docs. Okay. Find the area of the rectangles.
So, ma'am, so we can get the breakdown. Like
Either you can take the print and draw the squares, or you can directly write the answer in the, edit it and write the area dash.
Ma'am, we'll directly write the answer or even the process? In the
Do
whole
it in the note. Better do it in the notebook, then it will be convenient for you. Twisha and Ayush, mute your mic, please. Length equals to 4 centimeter and the breadth equals to 3 centimeter. आप figure भी draw करो. When you draw the figures of this, just assumption पे draw करते हैं. Suppose ये 4 centimeter we write here and 3 centimeter. Scale लेके हम नापने नहीं बैठ जाते हैं. We will not draw with the proper. Take the scale, but assumption पे होता है कि suppose this is 4 centimeter and this is 3 centimeter and
Ma'am,
we have
can
to
we
find
do
it.
it without scale?
No, it will not come neat for you. Like this, I am drawing also. It is not showing neat.
I am not saying I'm saying that measurements, but the line would be straight with the scale.
Okay. Measurements is length. Now length is 12 centimeter and the breadth equals to 4 centimeter. Find the area.
We need to find the area, no?
Only area.
Ma'am, can I tell the one answer?
Write the formula also.
Yeah, ma'am,
In
I
this.
had right.
Get this with formula.
12 centimeter.
So what is the area? Length
12
into
centimeter.
breadth.
Length into
4
breadth.
into 3. So it will be
12 square
Samriddhi, I will give you half marks if you say only 12 centimeter.
12 square centimeter.
It's an area 12 square
12
centimeter.
centimeter.
What is the for the another one?
Ma'am, another one is
Samriddhi will not tell. Another child will give me the answer.
48.
Rahil,
48.
what is the area of the second figure? Length is 12 centimeter and the breadth is 4 centimeter. Give me the area.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I say?
Daksh Patel, are you writing in your notebook? Dhyan Chele, are you writing in your notebook? Dhyan and Daksh Patel. Daksh Patel, turn on your camera, please. Daksh, are
Ma'am,
you
can I
writing?
tell the answer of the B1?
No, I have asked from Rahil only, so Rahil has to give me the answer. Ridan, what happened? You are coming and going. Any network problem?
Yes, ma'am, my network was gone.
Rahil, give me the answer for the second one. What will be the area of this figure? First of all, this is which figure? Because the length is 12 centimeter and the breadth is 4 centimeter. Rectangle. Can you give me how you are going to solve and find the area of this rectangle?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I say? And can Risha say?
Why this is happening, Rahil? Why this much time is happening? Formula is already there with the first one. And as I told you, multiply the length and the breadth. Or if you don't know length and the breadth formula, make the 4 squares in the length. Make the 3 squares in the breadth and complete this figure. Square बना के कर दो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Sorry, wait a minute. I have made more than 4. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12.
Can I tell the
4 in the length and 3 in the breadth. आपने पूरा figure को complete कर दिया और square से भी कर दो. And then you multiply also. Both the ways are correct.
Yes, ma'am.
But you written length is 12 centimeter.
Length is not 12. Length is 4 and the breadth is 3. So the area is 12.
Ma'am, but below the square there's something written L is equal to 12, B is equal to
This is the another sum.
Oh.
Yes, Rahil, what is the problem?
Can I tell?
Tusha, yes, give me. Yeah, Aryaman, give me the. Wait, Tusha. Aryaman, give
Ma'am,
me.
the answer is 12 area.
For the second one,
No, ma'am, the first one.
I'm asking for the second one.
The second one.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, it will be 12.
What will be the area?
Ma'am, can I see?
It will be 12. Length is 12, breadth is 4.
I can tell.
Ma'am, can I see?
No, why if I'm asking to the specific students, they are not able to answer me? What
Ma'am,
happened,
42. Ma'am, 42.
42, just check.
Ma'am, I can tell. 42, ma'am.
Lakshya, give me.
48 square centimeter.
Yes. 12 into
Big.
4, 48 square
48,
centimeter.
ma'am.
12 for the 48.
Yes. Can I erase it?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
No, ma'am, I'm done. I'm done.
Write the next question.
Don't erase the second question. Answer.
Write the next third question. Find the area of square with the given length of a side. A side equals to 5 centimeter. In the square, you will only get the one side. So what will be the measurement of another sides?
The same.
Same. So what is the formula of finding the area of a square?
Ma'am, we have to draw square also.
You can
S
multiply
by 4. S
Five.
multiply by 4. Ma'am, it is okay to draw.
Better draw.
Ma'am, the formula is S multiplied by 4.
Yes. So area of a square equals to 4 multiplied by side or S. So 4
20
into 5.
square centimeter.
20 square centimeter. अगर सेम वे में आपको बोलूं कि आपको फॉर्मूला याद नहीं है तो 5 स्क्वायर्स आप लेंथ में बनाइए, 5 स्क्वायर्स आप ब्रेथ में बनाइए.
Ma'am, it is one more trick that 1, 2, 3. The whole square has 4, 5. So we can multiply 4 by 5. So we will get the answer 20 square centimeter.
और अगर इफ यू आर नॉट क्लियर विद द फॉर्मूला में कंफ्यूज होते हो कहीं भी तो लेंथ में जितने दिस यू नो कि स्क्वायर से हम एरिया निकाल सकते हैं वेदर रेक्टेंगल हो वेदर स्क्वायर हो. So you can draw that many squares in the length and that many squares in the breadth. और count कर लो सारे squares को. Your area will come.
Ma'am, the area will be 25 square centimeter.
And अगर मैं इसी को ही बोलूँ इसका perimeter, what will be the perimeter of this?
Ma'am, Rudra is saying it is
25 is wrong, Rudra.
It is 20.
Yes.
It's 20 centimeter and the area is 25 square centimeter.
Area is 20
Rudra,
square.
area is 20 na?
Ma'am, is it okay if we're writing like this?
No. Wait, side multiply by side. Yes. 4 multiply by side will be the perimeter.
5.
Side multiply 5 multiply by 5 will be the area.
25.
हाँ,
Yes,
और 5
25.
तो आप इसको काउंट भी करोगे तो आपका 25 स्क्वायर्स ही आएंगे.
Perimeter is 20 square centimeter.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 24 25. So this is the area.
I was telling right.
हाँ, you were telling right. Now perimeter. Perimeter is just the 4 multiplied by side. अगर मैं इसमें perimeter भी निकाल रही हूँ तो 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 will be 20 will be your perimeter. But 25 will be your, because that's the reason I tell now. If you are confused with the formula also, length में जितनी length है उतने squares बना लो 1 centimeter का एक लेके. ब्रेथ में जितना सेंटीमीटर लिखा है 1 सेंटीमीटर का लेके स्क्वायर बना लो, कंप्लीट दैट फिगर रेक्टेंगल and then count the number of the squares internally. That will give you the area also. Clear everyone? Any doubt to any child?
No, ma'am.
One more sum, B sum for this. You can do it later on also. Then we end up the class. 12 centimeter. Find the area and give me the answer tomorrow. Okay, students? And thank you.
Ma'am, the answer will be 144 square centimeter.
Yes, thank you.
Have a nice day.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.